Students, how are you all? And at last class we did Lalachi Kutta. Now it's time to see through its exercise part. Okay, let's go through exercise. First main Sundar Shabd. Okay, at last class I had given it to worksheet. First one is Kutta, second one is Fool, Rasta, Parchai and Roti. These are the 5 words as a Sundar Shabd I have given in worksheet. Okay. And when Sangnya Shabd means vocabulary. Okay. First one is Kutta means dog. Rasta means path. Parchai means shadow. Roti means bread. Fool means bridge. Pani means water. Muh means mouth. Nal means stream. You can see the words here. These are the vocabulary meanings. Okay, vocabulary meaning words. Now it is time for go through निम्नलिखित प्रश्नों को उत्तर दो. निम्नलिखित प्रश्नों को उत्तर दो. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कुत्ते को क्या मिला? कुत्ते को क्या मिला? कुत्ते को एक रोटी मिला. कुत्ते को एक रोटी मिला. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, कुत्ता रोटी को कहाँ खाना चाहता था? सेकंड क्वेश्चन, कुत्ता रोटी को कहाँ खाना चाहता था? कुत्ता रोटी को कहीं दूर जाकर आराम से बैठकर खाना चाहता था. कुत्ता रोटी को कहीं दूर जाकर आराम से बैठकर खाना चाहता था. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, रास्ते में क्या था? रास्ते में क्या था? रास्ते में एक फूल था. रास्ते में एक फूल था. फोर्थ वन, कुत्ता किस पर भौंका? कुत्ता किस पर भौंका? कुत्ता अपनी परछाई पर भौंका. कुत्ता अपनी परछाई पर भौंका. फिफ्थ वन, कुत्ते को मुंह से रोटी कहाँ गिरी? कुत्ते के मुंह से रोटी कहाँ गिरी? कुत्ते के मुंह से रोटी पानी में गिरी. कुत्ते के मुंह से रोटी कहाँ गिरी? पानी में गिर पड़ी. कहाँ गिर पड़ी? पानी में गिरी. ओके. सही शब्द चुनकर खाली स्थान भरो. सही शब्द चुनकर खाली स्थान भरो. एक बार एक डैश था. एक बार एक कुत्ता था. वहाँ बहुत डैश हुआ. वहाँ बहुत कुछ हुआ. रास्ते में एक डैश आया. रास्ते में एक फूल आया. उसका मुंह खुलते ही डैश पानी में गिर गई. उसका मुंह खुलते ही रोटी पानी में गिर गई. Only 4 fill in the blanks you are having. You can refer this. Okay. This is a small activity they have given to read and understand. To read and understand. Okay. See here. पढ़ो और सीखो. You have to read and learn and you have to understand this. Okay. ललाच करने वाला. ललाच करने वाला. The greedy. Who will do the greedy person? What they will call as Lalachi. The greedy person will tell in greedy person, right? Like that Lalachi they will tell in Hindi Lalachi. जिसे भूख लगी हो. Who is hungry? He is called hungry person. Like that. जिसे भूख लगी हो वो है भूखा. What they will call? भूखा. शरारत करने वाला. Who will do the naughtiness is called shararati. Means naughty. The person we will call as naughty, right? Yes. Shararat karne wala, shararati. These are the activities to read and learn for your sake. Okay. Padho or samjho. Padho or samjho. One more activity they have given. चित्र देखो. दिए गए शब्दों की सहायता से वाक्य पूरे करो और कुत्ते के बारे में समझो. Yes, look at the picture, complete the sentence with the help of the given words. Okay, below. The words given below and know about the dog. You have to know about this dog. They have told and they have given some clues for your sake. Okay, they have given some clues. See here in this box, in this full box from here, this and this start from this end, they have given a clues. What are the clues they have given? Pooch or A हड्डी, रखवाली, कुत्ता, पशु, रोटी, दूध, बव और चार. These are the clues they have given here. Clues. What is this? हड्डी, रखवाली, पूंछ, कुत्ता, पशु, रोटी, दूध, बव और char. These clues you have to use and we have to fill this blanks. I already filled this blanks. I will read the activity once for your sake. Okay. About this dog only they have asked a few fill in the blanks type questions. Okay. Yes. यहाँ डैश है, यहाँ कुत्ता है. यहाँ एक डैश है, यहाँ एक कुत्ता क्या है? पशु है. वो एक पशु है. Okay. We have to write पशु here. इसका डैश टांगे है. इसका क्या है? चार टांगे है. ओके. इसकी एक पूंछ है. इसकी एक पूंछ है. यहाँ बव बव की आवाज करता है. हाउ डॉग बैक्स बव बव, राइट? वी हैव टू राइट बव बव हियर. यहाँ दूध, रोटी, हड्डियाँ आदि खाता है. क्या क्या खाता है कुत्ता? दूध, रोटी, हड्डियाँ आदि खाता है. यहाँ हमारे घर की रखवाली करता है. क्या करता है? रखवाली. रखवाली मीन्स it will watch our house, right? It will be watching our house. Okay. This lesson is about dog, right? That's why they have given the activities about the dog. Tange means their leg. Dog's leg. Here you can see the dog's leg, right? Poonch means tail. This is the tail. How many tail is there? Only one. That's why we have to write one. पूंछ. इसकी एक पूंछ है और इनकी चार टांगे है. टांगे means legs. Okay. And how it barks? It barks bow bow and it eats दूध, रोटी, हड्डियाँ. Okay. Bones and roti and milk it will eat. They have told. Okay. It will watch our house and they said it will watch our house. Okay. This is the small activity they have given you to know about the dog. Means pet animal is dog, right? That's why they have given this with the option. With the options here, the options they have given here. सार्थक शब्दों का उचित मिलन करो. उचित मिलन करो means match the words with its opposite word. Match the word with its opposite word. See, this is also a one activity. हंसना, रोना, खाली और खुला, बंद. Okay. And here you can see the tree. A tree. Here it is a tree. What is this? Near, far और छोटा, बड़ा. See here. बड़ा पेड़, छोटा पेड़. यहाँ पे देखो खुला डिब्बा, बंद डिब्बा. ये बच्चा हंस रहा है, यहाँ पे रो रहा है. ओके, चलो we will do this activity. I will show you by doing the activity. Okay. And you all know the opposite words. Already you all know the opposite words. Okay. Once again we will play with this activity. Okay. Dur, pass. One activity they have did. Okay. Dur means pass. Niche means yes. Upar. Niche means upar. Yes. Andar, bahar. Andar, bahar. Khulla. What do you mean by khulla? Not khulla. Afterwards this khulla. Okay. First we have to do this one. Khona, pana. Khona, pana. Khulla, band. Khulla means band. And apni, what do you mean by apni? Apni means, yes, mine. And here is the opposite words, parai. Apni, parai. Kush, dukhi. Kush, dukhi. Idhar, udhar. Yes. You can say here, I told you hasna, rona also the opposite word, but they have given here kushi or dukhi. Okay. And this tree they have given, as I told, idhar, udhar. They have given idhar, udhar. Okay. And it is khula, band. Khula, band. Okay. These are the opposite word activities. You can also do in the textbook. And you can write in the class book also. Yes, now it's a part to go through the Gruha part, means worksheet, homework. Okay, you have to do in workbook only. Only 1 महीना है given, but 2 times है given. निम्नलिखित प्रश्नों को उत्तर दो. This time I have given how many times, children? 2 times. Question answers you have to practice 2 times. Okay. First one, कुत्ते को क्या मिला? कुत्ता रोटी को कहाँ खाना चाहता था? रास्ते में क्या था? कुत्ता किस पर भौंका? कुत्ते के मुंह से रोटी कहाँ गिरी? Once again, I will repeat the question. First one, कुत्ते को क्या मिला? कुत्ता रोटी को कहाँ खाना चाहता था? रास्ते में क्या था? कुत्ता किस पर भौंका? कुत्ते के मुंह से रोटी कहाँ गिरी? These are only 5 questions. You have to practice. Simple question answers are there. No 2 marks questions. Only 1 marks questions you are having in this lesson. And this is for 2 times. You have to practice this worksheet for 2 times. Okay. Practice well. Thank you.